Using PayPal to make money for free? Use these cash codes. Have you sat down in your desk one day, scrolling through the internet, and randomly thought, is there a way I can make money online? Well, look no further. Here, I'll share tips on how to use your time online to make money by going to these websites. And you want to know what the best part is? It's completely free. That's right, free. So stick around if you want to know more. Hi there, welcome to Make Wired. In this channel, I'll show you the best tips and tricks in the financial spaces, business, and entrepreneurship. Make Wired is created to help as many people as possible make money online from the comfort of their homes. Just sit back, relax, and learn how to make money work for you. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you're always updated on my latest videos. Are you a fan of YouTube videos about making money? Or maybe you would like to have extra tips and tricks on how to make money? You've come to the right place. It doesn't matter whether you're technologically or financially adept. Cash is for everyone anyway. It just takes the right pair of eyes to see it everywhere. Keep watching this video to know more about how to make money online for free. Pricerebel.com is the website in question for today and offers money. When you complete those surveys, you can earn points, and of course, they also provide PayPal cash. It is pretty simple. All you have to do is sign up, accumulate points, and then exchange them for free money elsewhere. Everywhere rates it highly. It has a fantastic 4.0 rating on Trustpilot. It is the top survey reward site, and you will be astounded by some of these remarks if you read them. Just have a peek at the 12 million subscribers on this website. The amount of PayPal cash you can make using the website has no upper limit. Just glance at the remarks, a wonderful way to earn additional money. Excellent service website ever. I'm grateful for the recent years, and this is my preferred survey website. This survey website is excellent. Just consider this. $2.5 million have already been distributed, and they've been here since 2007, which in my opinion is very fantastic because it is so dated and they are still operating. You can be sure it is a good website. Of course, it functions everywhere on earth. You can get some money no matter where you are from. Just look at this. In addition to cash, they may also present you with a PS5, PCs, and gift cards. It's a wonderful feature then. Completing these straightforward activities allows you to obtain gifts if you don't want the money. That is excellent. The statement, with 15 years of experience, we have worked with some of the leading market research and consumer organizations so we can offer you the best consumer opinion surveys designed exclusively for you. Is excellent for the very reason that it states, with 15 years of experience. So don't hesitate a second longer. Register right away and get your money. It's pretty simple. You simply need to put in a little time and the cash will flow. Thus, create an account for yourself and follow our channel as well. I appreciate it, and let's see how this goes. When you initially enter, this is your dashboard and you have this first survey to complete. Completing this survey will get you 54 points. It's incredibly simple. All you need to do is click here and respond to the brief survey. Now that you have unlocked several of these earning offer walls, some of the more well-known ones are Peanut Labs, AdGate, Offer Taro, and AdJam. You are free to use it on all of your devices and then simply continue accumulating these points. There are many options, so it depends on your preferences. Additionally, there are various raffles here. As you can see, these people have already received 50 Amazon gift cards. Therefore, nothing prevents you from obtaining some as well. The fact that there is only a $5 minimum is what I appreciate most about this website. It implies that you redeem the money as soon as you receive $5. The existence of some lotteries is what makes this intriguing. You can play these lotteries if you click on lucky numbers. Although this one hasn't started yet, be aware that it also has the potential to be quite lucrative. On some leaderboards, you can engage in competitive play with other users. Here are some amazing possibilities for a great prize. Take a peek at what occurs if you scroll to the website's bottom. There is a program for affiliates. That is excellent. This one is special and you've never seen it before. Do you feel ready? Look at this. You will receive a 30% bonus as your referrals earn by completing surveys. That's much money. You will receive $3 if they earn a total of $10 or 1,000 points. Accordingly, the more money they make, the more money you make. It makes sense why Pricerebel has such a high rating now that I have never seen a 30% bonus on an affiliate network. Imagine someone accumulating 10,000 points. That's $100. And just for acting as a recommendation, you will receive $30 right away. Therefore, make an invitation today. Before using the internet, start with your family and friends. It offers the industry's largest rev share payout. Therefore, I advise you to visit this page on Invite Run with referrals and find your link, which is situated there. Copy that, then spread it over the world. I advise you to search for forums where people generate money online. Go to this top 15 money-making forum debate, for instance, and then simply enter all these. There are numerous: the Money Shed, the Money Mustache Community, Beer Money Forum, and E-Money Space. These folks are gathered here for the same reason you are, to make money. You may just enter any one of these topics and paste your affiliate link after seeing all of them. Just take something from here and paste it into all of these conversations. People will be happy with you for guiding them in the right direction, leading to recommendations that will make you much money. This one will grab you a lot. But you can also conduct some research and make some money for yourself here. You only need to spread this link to get a significant portion of that money. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. It's a global earning opportunity. So relax and watch your income increase. But of course, we won't stop there. Swagbucks.com is another website that offers free money and it's stuffed full of cash. Check out this 27,004.3. What do you say? There are many happy users of this website. It is, of course, since this website offers much potential for financial gain. Other alternatives are available here, such as online shopping, watching entertainment movies, web browsing, taking surveys, and discovering some excellent discounts. Despite being slightly different, it has the same basic idea as Pricerebel. Please make an account for yourself, get set, and let's get that cash. You can earn those points by going to your dashboard after logging in. You can take advantage of some excellent deals by playing games, installing mobile apps, completing afterwalls, and signing up for specific websites. Then, like these folks, you can be content. Look at the comments. Swagbucks is the best. Love Swagbucks. They're the best in the world and fast and easy. This website is indeed quick and straightforward to use. So, merely have to do it since each of these has a distinct point value. Before you can obtain this money, there are 3 top items to know. You can even purchase, learn, and perform some rewards at home. If you don't use it, A large amount of money here will be wasted. I'll show you two more websites now, and they're both worthwhile. Grab Points and Idle Empire are the names of the first and second respectively. You undoubtedly engage in internet activities like viewing videos, doing surveys, playing games, and earning some freebies. Naturally, it is quick and simple. Idle-empire.com is the name of the first one. As you can see, Trustpilot gave it 4.7 out of 5. Incredibly good and simple. You only need to register. You will begin accumulating those points, after which you will exchange them for PayPal Cash. Simply count the number of users who have signed up. People are content. There are many positive reviews and enough money to be made here. All you need to do is join up to receive gift cards or PayPal Cash at grabpoints.com. The deals inside are identical to those on Swagbucks. Idle Empire is the same. All you need to do is sign up to access these freebies. These incentives are numerous, and there are multiple ways to pay out. Even though you can obtain some cryptocurrency, I advise combining these websites to get a large portion of their revenue. And there we go! How to make extra cash online. Quite simple, right? Now you can go out there and use these websites to earn free money. I hope you learned a lot from watching this video. If you want to learn more finance tips and tricks, consider subscribing and commenting so I can make more videos like this. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, share it with your family and friends so they can also make money online. See you later!